I'm sure that you must be going through a time of pain wherein your portfolio has dipped a lot this week because of the so-called Trump tariff. But then let's have a fact check. Total exports done by India is around $825 billion and total imports done by India is around $915 billion. You know how much is the exports done by India out of that $825 billion to US? It is just $86.5 billion. And you know how much is the imports done by India out of that $915 billion? It is just $45 billion. So 86.5, if you round to 90 also, then $45 billion is half of what India exports to US. So that's why Trump is upset about we are not doing a fair trade with US. So what is a trade deficit? The imports is more than the export, then it becomes a deficit. Means we are importing more and only exporting less. So as far as US is concerned with respect to India, he is exporting only $45 billion and importing $86.5 billion. So he is having a deficit and we are having a surplus just with US. But if you see an overall scenario, we are having a trade deficit only wherein we are exporting $825 billion but importing $915 billion. So for just $90 billion, we don't have to cry at all. We have already signed lot of trade deals with other nations. Almost 15 trade deals are already signed and we are exploring new trades with new countries. A collaborative trade deal, not a one-sided trade deal like what is happening with US. So almost 15 trade deals of around $180 billion is already signed. And also we are exploring the trade deals with European Union, which alone accounts to around $268.8 billion, which is huge compared to just $90 billion with US. So don't worry, we'll explore new countries, better collaborative trade deals so that we also end up in a win-win situation wherein our GDP also grows because of higher trade deals or higher exports and better imports, better cost-effective imports, so that we can cut off the unwanted trade deals with US, reach that ultimate goal of developed nation before 2047. Don't follow the headlines, follow the realistic figures. Don't panic. You should have some cash with you wherein the US slips to recession, because he has done lot of trade deal with various countries, but then those are only headlines as per me. It is not yet realized. Though various countries like South Korea or Japan has agreed for such trade deals, it may not be realized. Then if it is not realized, then US will dip into a recession. If US sneezes, the entire world gets cold, including India. So in that dip, you can deploy your cash into good stocks, stay invested in quality companies, but then don't miss that dip wherein you get a golden opportunity to invest in quality stocks. So as always, don't panic, stay invested. Happy investing.